Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make invitations that you can sell on Etsy. So first go to canva.com and search for invitations. And Canva will show you different templates you can use. So in here, you can just choose any template that you want to use depending on the occasion. There are a lot of templates available here. So say for example, it's a Christmas occasion. Go check this and click customize this template, and then you can now modify the text, the details, like for example the date and time, as well as the location or the event venue. And then you just click share, click download, and then make sure that it is in PDF standard, and then you can also choose PDF print if this will be printed. Then click download, and that's how you make invitations to sell on Etsy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.